This is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in Sosua. Listen guys, there's a lot of people that come to Dominican Republic and they talk a lot of shit and they don't know nothing. They don't know what's going on. They talk a lot about the beach, about the blood. This is gonna happen, this is gonna happen. Listen, this is part one of a series of videos that I'm gonna do. And when I get back to my shop, I'm gonna sit down and explain. The project of Sosua Beach will go forward. You see this project right here? This is the back of the beach. Okay? The project has begun. Sosua project will go forward. Or else they would not be putting this much money in this area. This is the back of Sosua. Okay? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Okay, look, this is the beach right here. Sosua Beach. Alright? So this is the beginning. This is the beginning. So I'm gonna do part 2, 3, 4, 5 of this, and I'm gonna tell you the history of Sosua and what I have found out. What I personally, I've been in this country 12 years. Okay? When I came to this country, I didn't speak the language. Now I'm fluent in Spanish. Okay? When I came, I am the first authentic Jamaican restaurant in this country, in spite of what you may hear. There's a lot of people that comes and they talk a lot of shit about me, okay? But they're just jealous. I'm gonna do a video. The next part of this video is about a brother that came to my place that demonstrates the jealousy. People come and they criticize. You cannot do anything about critics. But I'm doing this video for you guys to know that I know what's going on. And whatever you hear outside of this is gonna be crap, okay? This is the beginning of the development of Sosua Beach and what's coming, because they are going to do it. No matter what you hear, it's going to happen. These are the trucks. These are the construction. That's Sosua Beach, but below us right there, across the street. Okay? So, a little bit of information. I'm gonna tell you the history of Sosua. Okay? I'm gonna tell you why this project has to go forward and why the Beach Association cannot stop it. Cannot stop it. Okay? And if you know anything about law and eminent domain, even though it's not eminent domain, I'm gonna bring out the truth as I found out the real truth that nobody is telling you about because they don't know. They're gossips. All gossiping like girls. You know? This guy come to my shop talking a lot of nonsense, but I'm gonna give you that information soon. Okay? So again, Sosua Beach. Look at the back of it. You think this is for nothing? Look at all the work they have done here. Okay? These are the trucks that's doing the work, guys. Okay? So once again, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. There's the beach again. Okay? There's the beach. Look at the trucks. See? Mosha, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Guys, like I said to you before, I'm on the street right now. Okay? The reason I'm making this video is because I've been here 12 years. I speak the language fluently, and I know what I'm telling you. Don't sit down and listen to the gossip, the guys that sit around like women. Because the shit they talk about me, when this brother came to my place the other day, I was talking shit, I was shocked. I couldn't believe. I'm like, where are you getting these information from? So the same bullshit he was speaking about me is the same thing they're talking about Sosua Beach. Nobody knows. And the Beach Association is not telling you the truth. Okay? They're not telling you the truth. What's up, brother? Yeah. Okay, so once again, Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. Peace out.